Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of video editing with a free software Capcut on PC. I'm going to show you how to add keyframes to create amazing effects and take your videos to the next level. So, let's jump right in. Step 1. Import files. Step 1, as always, is to import your files into Capcut. Make sure you have all your footages. Once you've got that covered, let's move on to the exciting part. Step 2. Adding keyframes. Now, keyframes are your secret weapon for creating dynamic effects in your videos. You can keyframe different properties at different times, like zooming in or out, rotation, opacity, and more. For today's example, let's say I want to add a cool zoom in and rightward movement effect. First, let's add a keyframe where we want our effect to start. I'm going to use the scale keyframe and position keyframe to achieve this. Let's say I want to start with a zoomed-in view and a specific position. Here's where I'll set my initial keyframe. Now, let's move forward in our timeline, say about 2 seconds. And at this point, we want our video to be in its final position. So, we'll add our second keyframe with the desired scale and position. You can see how easy it is to create this dynamic effect by simply adding keyframes at different points in your timeline. But what if you want to change all properties in a single keyframe? Easy. Just click here. Move ahead in the timeline, tweak your properties, and you're done. Step 3, final result. And there you have it, folks. Adding keyframes in Capcut on PC is a game changer for creating engaging and visually stunning videos. Experiment with different properties, get creative, and let your imagination run wild. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.